Try to introduce him, he goes into bite him.
Get him. Look at him. Paige, you're just biting his ears. Get him.
Recording him.
Yeah. Look at him.
Get him, Chunky, get him! You should make him simple, he's not listening yet.
He doesn't answer. I answered. Oh man, you just got a foot in your face, little guy. You guys done?
No, Chunky, we're done.
Why are you going in his butt?
Get him, wrestler. What's this? What's this? Yeah? See what I'm doing? Here's it from there.
Oh, look at that face. Look at these faces. They both got that weird look in their eyes. Well, you can't tell if they're looking at you. Get him. Get him. Where are you going, Chunk? Get him. Oh, you got kicked.